Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient text effect in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to text here, and I'm going to add in this default text, and I'm just going to place it like that. I'm just going to type in Valorant, for instance, and I'm also going to change the font to this, for instance, as well. I think I'm going to add in a shadow. You don't have to, but actually, I'm not going to add a shadow. Then I'm just going to separately apply different colors to it. I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm just going to make the text different colors. Okay. Right click, create compound clip separately on each of these text. Go to the one here, go to video, go to mask. You can use any shape you want. I'm just going to use this mirror one. Then I'm just going to make it a little bit small, and I'm going to feather it out. Then here I'll do the same thing. That, feather it out as well. And then lastly we have this one. Go like that and feather it out as well. I'm just going to make a few small changes here. And I'm just going to make sure I really feather that out. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.